when you get this nice dark color, you just pack it. Same as anything, I guess, meat to meat and skin to skin. I put the thicker stuff in the bottom. For here. Oh yeah. Look at that. Good day, folks. My name is Jason Linston. Welcome to my next adventure. Today I'm gonna be smoking that lake trout. You seen in the last video there, Leon got for us. Gotta wash it off good. We're gonna be smoking that, and first I got the brine going here. It's 4 cups of brown sugar and 1 cup of pickling salt I use. You see, it's bigger flakes through it. I like using the pickling salt. And a teaspoon of minced garlic is best for it. You could use garlic powder too, I guess you wanted to, but I like the minced garlic. I find it goes through it better, because once you put the fish in there with this on it, the salt soaks the moisture out and that'll fill right up with brine. So get it all packed in here now. Get her going. She puts a layer, just layer for layer, pretty much. Put it in, you just pack it. Same as anything, I guess, meat to meat and skin to skin. I put the thicker stuff in the bottom. That's what I'm going for here. Thicker chunks within the bottom. Just keep layering it in. Yeah. We're gold. Fit in that container nicely. Keep that in mind for the next one. There we go. Now we just put the cover on it and let it sit overnight in the freezer. It's probably, I'm going to say, 2, maybe 3 racks there. Should be a half decent little load in there. Probably keep the bottom rack empty, let it smoke a bit longer so it don't dry out on the bottom. But yeah, put this in the freezer. You see it already starting to brine. Get this in the freezer and talk to you tomorrow. There it is, look, only an hour or so. Brine is making real pretty, real pretty. It's gonna be excellent, excellent. And you know, when you get this nice dark color, that's when you know it's really leaving a good layer on the fish. Can't wait to get that in the smoker. Real nice brine made on that this morning. The top layer you really want to make sure skin up, because you see how it usually comes right level. So this bottom part of the meat is still down in the brine nice, right? Good coat. Now just gonna need a light rinse. Don't scrub it, don't push it too hard, just to get the excess salt and sugar in it, clumps. Just a light rinse. That's it. And we're going to place it on the racks to dry. Feel the skin has gone right hard and tough too, so don't. Seems like it don't stick to the racks as much. Now we get it all spread out on the trays. Spread it right now. Well, I never had a whole lot, enough to fill up all 4 trays, but I got 3 of them pretty good. At least I'm spaced out a little bit. Now leave that to dry for 4 or 5 hours until it stops being like tacky. I like it so just as soon as it stops being tacky. Like, you want a little tiny bit of stick to it. I find it helps the smoke stick on it better. So probably another 4 or 5 hours now drying there, and we'll get the smoker warmed up. Here now, I got the smoker just turned on, letting her warm up a bit. Now I guess it's to each their own and what kind of smoke they like. Me personally, I love the maple. What I usually do is I usually throw in a puck of hickory to 2 pucks of maple. But today or now we're just gonna go with the maple. I stop throwing them all on the ground. That should be enough to probably get that all done. That's the Bradley smoker. That's the pucks that comes with it. I tried some little woggle with applewood. That was good. I gotta say, I enjoyed that too. But today we're gonna stick with the maple. Let her warm up now and get it packed in. Just starting to climb there now. And with this smoker, you can press the button and she advances the pucks through. See there, pushing the old ones out of the way, she'll give you the new one. I gotta turn that there. Now I'm looking for around 150. That's a good temperature, I find good. 150, 160. That's what I'm aiming for fish. Finds it don't cook too fast, just cook slow, and it gives a good chance for the smoke to go through it. So I'll wait for that to warm up now and get the fish on. Putting them in there now. Like I said, I'll put the thickest chunks on the lower rack, line them all up there. I'm not going to use the bottom rack, so I'm going to go with the harder ones, leave them in for longer. Slide the trays in. This Bradley smoker is real nice, lots of room, easy to use, easy to clean. Highly recommend one of these if you're planning on doing any amount of smoking. But, she's just starting to burn there now. Temperature was up a little over 100, but it just dropped down. I had the door open. So we'll just keep an eye on that now and let her do her thing. There it is, the final product. Man, don't that look good. Look at that. You could even now, you see the bones are sticking out. You want to get a pair of tweezers, you pull them out right easy there now. But I don't mind a few bones. Oh, top shelf smoked fish right there.